This right here is $700. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can make $740 for free downloading ebooks. Now, you don't need $700 to start. Honestly, you don't even need $1. I'm going to show you a free way. I'm going to show you a free method of how you can actually put money in your bank account. So if you're ready, we're going to dive into the computer and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But first, all I ask is if you enjoy new ways to make money from home using the power of the internet, can you do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button? It just helps out this video. So now, let me show you exactly how you make $700 doing this simple technique. So let's go. So this is what we're going to do. This is what I'm going to show you. Okay, we're actually going to be using 3 different websites. And I'm going to show you all 3 of those websites. I'm also going to show you how you get traffic to buy something so that you can actually make money. A lot of people are going to show you a similar technique, but most people do not show you how you get the traffic. I'm going to show you how you do that. So here's what you do. Okay, this is how you go and make money by downloading ebooks. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to indigitalworks.com. You can see it right here. That's the website you need to go to. So once you land on this website, first thing you need to do is you need to go and create an account, go and log in, all right? I've already done that. The reason why you do this and do it through this specific website, and again, it's free, is because you need to be able to get the ebooks and have the master resale rights. If you don't have the resale rights to the specific ebooks, then if you go and sell it, okay, you're actually breaking the law. Okay, that's copyright infringement. You're taking somebody's product, you're calling it your own and selling it. You don't have the rights to do that. So you need the master resale rights. Now, once you are here inside your dashboard, inside your account, you're going to go to free products and click on free ebooks. Okay, and now if I'm going too fast, just pause the video, back it up a little bit, and watch it again. But you're going to go over here, free products, free ebooks, click on that. Now here, what you're going to do is you need to pick an ebook. And it doesn't really matter what the ebook is, but what matters is that you have some type of knowledge on that subject. So a lot of people are going to be like, I don't know much about marketing and online business and you know, Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and all that stuff, right? That's fine. There's other books here. For example, How to Accomplish More in a Fraction of the Time. That might be something that you're good at. You might be good at, you know, multitasking. You might be really good at organization, stuff like that. So maybe that's what you want to pick. We can keep going down. Insomniac, right? Here's one. This one is, you know, teach people, I guess, more about insomnia. Let's click on that one. That might be a good thing. Maybe you know how to fall asleep faster because it says Insomniac, the ultimate sleep training or therapy. Cool. That might be a nice thing, right? So it will tell us where we can use this. It says the product terms. Yes, can be sold. Yes, can be used for personal use. Then you can see down here, no, we can't modify or change it. No, we can't give it away. No, we can't add this to a free membership. That's fine, right? We want to sell it. That's our goal. So this is what we want. So all we got to do is come up here and click on download. Now, I'm not going to go and download this and just clog up my computer just for the sake of this video, but all you got to do is click on download and it's going to download for free. Now, after you have downloaded this product, the next thing you're going to do, okay, is go to a website called Gumroad.com. Now, I've used Gumroad for many years. I've probably used them for, you know, 6-7 years at least. They're a really good product and it's free. Now, I don't use Gumroad anymore because I've kind of moved on and I pay for the services that I have now, but it's still a great product. All right, you can see this is my account over here. Okay, I do have products still here that do sell. It does fairly well. But here's what I would do. I'd go create my free profile or free account with Gumroad, and then once you're here in Gumroad, I clicked on products and you just add a new product. Now, what we do here is we're going to name our product. So all we got to do is come over here, okay, and we're going to type Insomniac, the ultimate sleep therapy. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to type it in here, okay, Insomniac, okay, the ultimate sleep therapy. That's our name. For the amount, we're going to charge $37. $37 for this product is probably going to be a good price point. Now, we can charge whatever we want. Now, let's say you want to only charge $7, or you want to charge $97, or you want to charge $995. You can charge whatever you want. But the secret price point, the price point that I have found does the best across all platforms, across all categories, is $37. Anything with a 7 does really well. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Now, I'm going to click on next. Okay, now right here is where we can come in and we can add our description. We can also add the cover. Well, here's the cool part. Right here on this page on Insomniac, we can see there's a thank you page for the product. We can see the landing page for the product. We can see there's this thank you page, a front end for this product, additional pages. They have a lot of stuff. Okay, or just come over here, click on this. We're gonna save the image. Now, I'm not gonna do that again for the sake of just cramming my computer full of images and ebooks, but that's what I do. Is I grab this image. Okay, I maybe come over here to this landing page. I'm gonna open that up to kind of see what it shows. Okay, right here, these are bonuses. Look at that, $47 value, all for free, right? So that's the landing page for it. Now, what I want to do is I want to grab this cover right here. You can even see the thank you page. I'll open that so you can see it. Okay, right there. Okay, I can even grab this. Okay, I can get all this stuff. I can use it, right? And I'm gonna put this here. And now I'm gonna write a description. Are you struggling to fall and stay asleep at night? If this sounds like you, then you need Insomniac, right? This complete ebook will teach you everything you need to know regarding sleep, right? Now, I haven't read this book. I don't know for sure, but it's free. Once you download it, read it to make sure it's a quality ebook. If it's not a quality ebook, I would not recommend you try selling it. It just won't work, all right? So that's what you're gonna do. Again, this is free. We're gonna charge $37. We're gonna go and add an image. We can add a call to action. Let's say I want this. Here's what you'll get. Insomniac, the complete therapy book, right? There we go. That's what we're gonna get. Cool, cool, cool. We're gonna add our download here. This is where we're gonna upload the file so that once they buy it, then they go and get it, right? So we're gonna add our pricing, $37. Okay. I wouldn't do this, or customers can get it for absolutely nothing, for free. You can do variations. You make it unique, right? Then you're gonna hit publish. Now, once you have done that, you have simply created your product. It is there. People can go to this thing. So if I click, I'm not gonna click publish on this account, because then people could go and see it and possibly buy it, and I don't want them to buy something that I haven't read or even really done any work on. But so there'd be my link right there. Now, once I have this link, okay, right here, then I could go to Facebook. Now, what I personally like about Facebook is people have already created these groups on Facebook. Now all I have to do is go and join the groups and leverage those groups into my favor. So here's what I do. Let's go to actually do sleeping. I'm just type in sleeping. Now I'm gonna click on groups. Sleep help and tips, insomnia support group. There's 6,000 members here. That might be a good thing. Sleep paralysis, maybe. Baby sleep, shadow people, sleep paralysis, couch for sale, no. Respectful sleep training and learning, maybe. Right? You can go and join a bunch of these different groups. You're gonna click on these, join the groups. Now, once you're inside the groups, now I'm not inside any of these groups, so I obviously can't show you, but if I was inside this group right here, what's gonna happen is people are gonna ask a bunch of questions. People are gonna go out and comment, they're gonna put posts, and what you need to do from this group is you're going to go and you are going to reply to a lot of these people's posts. You're going to go and comment. Once you comment on somebody's post, then the next thing you want to do is you want to go and add that person that made the comment as your friend. Now, what I suggest you do is wait until that person has actually accepted you before you send them a private message. Because if they don't accept you first, then they've really never seen your name. So make sure that they have seen that, okay, we're connected in a way. I just accepted this person as my friend. Now they're sending me a private message. I wonder what it says. Well, if inside this group they were saying they're struggling to fall asleep, what methods do you guys use? You can simply say, well, this is what I've been doing. I've been taking melatonin pills, been drinking 8 ounces of water about 30 minutes before I go to bed. Make sure I don't use my phone or watch TV within an hour before I go to sleep. I don't eat within 2 to 3 hours before I fall asleep. Make sure the room's completely dark, all this stuff, right? And you rattle on this list of ideas of what they can do. And then, once you've done all that, inside the comment section, that's when you go and you add the person as a friend. And then once they accept you, you send them a message and say, hey, hopefully the recommendations I gave you helped out. One thing that I suggest you do on top of that, here's a really cool ebook that I've read. It'll work out really well. Check it out. I'll put a link to it below so you can go and check it out, right? And you simply post a link, and now they have the link to the product that you created. Now you're probably wondering, okay, that's great. That sounds simple, right? Well, what the main part of this is everything in the initial stage. You have to go and find the product. Okay, you go and do that right here within Digital Works. Then you need to go to Gumroad and actually publish the product on a page. Again, in Digital Works and Gumroad are absolutely free. You don't got to pay anything. And then last thing, you go to Facebook. Go to Facebook and start commenting, start engaging, adding people as your friend. And the last step that you need to do is once you have a bunch of people that are your friends and you're inside a specific niche, now all you need to do is post that link, a few times a week or a couple times a week on your Facebook profile, because now, being that they're your new friend, they will see it once you create a post. Now, are you wondering how you are going to make $740? Well, it's actually pretty simple. To make $740, all you have to do is sell 37 of these ebooks, okay? Or actually 20 ebooks at $37. It's fairly easy to do, okay? 20 ebooks a month at $37 will make you $740 every single month. Now, it's not a lot of money. It's not going to be a game changer. It's not going to make you a millionaire tomorrow. However, these stepping stones, these building blocks, this foundation that you're setting for yourself and this business, this is what's going to be life-changing. So, if you have any questions on how you can make $740 without doing a whole lot of work and doing it for absolutely nothing, it's free. If you have questions, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.